Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for your Dell Inspiron 14. The OWC 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SATA memory module. If you're noticing your Inspiron 14 5410, 5418, 5420, 5425, or 5493 feeling a bit sluggish, this RAM upgrade might be just what you need. OWC, or Other World Computing, has a solid reputation for producing high-quality memory solutions, and this DDR4 module is no exception. It's designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring compatibility and reliability. This particular module is a 16GB stick operating at a speed of 3200 MHz with a CL22 latency and requiring only 1.2V. This makes it a perfect fit for the specified Dell Inspiron 14 models. One of the biggest advantages of this OWC memory is its guaranteed compatibility. It adheres to JEDEC standard specifications and is RoHS compliant, giving you peace of mind that it's a safe and reliable upgrade for your laptop. Plus, it's a warranty-safe upgrade, meaning you won't void your Dell's warranty by installing it. The installation process is straightforward, especially for SATA modules and laptops. Simply access the RAM compartment on your Dell Inspiron, remove the old module, and insert the OWC module in its place. It's a quick and easy way to boost your system's performance. Speaking of performance, upgrading your RAM is one of the most effective ways to improve your computer's speed and responsiveness. With 16GB of RAM, you'll experience smoother multitasking, faster application loading times, and improved overall system performance, especially when running memory-intensive applications like video editing software or games. OWC also stands behind its products with an industry-leading consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty. This includes free tech support, which is a huge bonus if you encounter any issues during installation or use. This OWC module serves as a direct replacement for Dell part numbers AA937596, AA960023, AB174974, SNP1CXB8 C16G, and SNPWTHG 4C16G, ensuring a seamless transition and optimal performance. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to breathe new life into your Dell Inspiron 14, the OWC 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SATA is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can make a significant difference in your daily computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.